Easy ways to maximize your Australian tax return. Let's get started. The first way to save tax is to use Australia's progressive tax system to your advantage. In Australia, the more you earn, the higher the tax rate you pay. Your taxable income falls into different brackets and the percentage increases with your earnings. If you invest ensures the tax you pay on dividends and capital gains depends on your tax bracket, here's a tax strategy. If you're married or have a long-term partner, consider investing under the name of the partner with a lower income. This way the tax on your shares will be calculated at a lower rate. Another way you can take advantage is through the new FY25 tax rates. The Australian government has announced changes starting from July. The tax rates for the second and third brackets will decrease and the threshold will increase. This change will benefit most Australians as they will retain more of their income, so you're already saving on tax without doing anything. You can also maximize your tax return by claiming work from home deductions. According to ABS website, 37% of Australians continue to work from home last year. If you're one of them, you may also be able to claim deductions. To be eligible, you'll need to be actually working from home and incur some additional running expenses. The next way to save tax is to claim motor vehicle deductions. If you choose your own car for work-related purposes, you may be able to claim expenses such as fuel, repairs, and maintenance. Now let's talk about investment and super contributions. Use capital gain tax discounts and tax loss harvesting to reduce your tax liabilities on investments. Additionally, maximizing your superannuation contributions within the cap you can help benefit from a lower tax rate. You can claim other work-related deductions too, like tools, equipment, self-education, and more. Be sure to consult a tax accountant for personalized strategies to maximize your deductions. They can identify all possible deductions you are eligible for, saving your time and ensuring compliance. So there you have it. This is how you can easily maximize your Australian tax return in 2024. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.